I was very, very shy when I was young. And then when I was in my 20s and I had 3 children, I felt I changed my whole outlook on life. And then people started calling me Friendly. That was my nickname, Friendly. For years, I was the one that had the Christmas dinners. We'd have like 30 some odd people for dinner, and I'd do all the decorating and all the planning of the food. And at that point, I thought, I've got to do something that's constructive. So I did benefits for cancer and MS and raised quite a lot of money for the 2 charities. My husband passed away 8 years ago, and when he did, I went into shock. My daughters looked around and they arranged for me to move here, and everything just worked out perfectly for me. I enjoy a lot of things, and there's a lot of things available here. I enjoy painting, I enjoy playing games, I enjoy playing cards. I like to get get-togethers and make people feel happy. And then I have a nice big deck, and I like to garden. It's kind of how I would have my home. Relaxing, but beautiful. There's nothing missing. There's a private dining room where you can have up to 12 people. I've had family in several times. Chef Steve makes it very accommodating to your family, and the company here is amazing. They take care of you. We have all these wonderful people that serve the tables. When you sit down, they're very accommodating. I've gained a lot of weight coming here, but it's really good. There's way more to offer here than what I even imagined would be. People said, "You're gonna like it here?" Well, I do. I really like it here.